this cause the both of us. We risked it all, we gambled both our hearts on love. So here we are, too mad to stay, too sad to leave.
Hey guys, what's up? Yeah, so this is the before look. As you can see, look at my hair. It's all grown. Look at my beard. Look at this right here. You see? This is a gray hair. This is what we call a gray hair. So this is like old people here. No offense to all the older people that are watching this. Well, I don't normally make videos like this, but I'm just showing you guys the before. And I'm going to get a haircut right now and shave my beard. Because I'm old now. I'm getting old. You see the gray coming? I'm getting old. You know, so you have to embrace the old. See my fat nose. But yeah. Hope everybody okay. I just want to, you know, come on and just cheer up everybody, you know, and check up on you guys, see if everybody is alright, you know. Everybody go through them struggles, but we still have to love and appreciate everyone and check on each and every one of us, because we're all brothers and sisters in this, you know. So hope everything is going alright. Hope everybody is trying to live right, and if you're not living right, you know, try to shape up, you know, because we only have one life. So it's best that we try to pass on, you know, the knowledge and experience to the younger generation, as well as motivate and educate them, you know, to be better citizens, you know, in society, you know, productive members of society. So I'm just doing my little part and just trying to encourage people. Stay strong, whatever you do, continue to do it. Have faith in the Lord, you know, have faith in whichever God you serve. Do everything to your full potential, even if you're struggling and you're finding it hard. Just try your best to do what you can do in that moment, in that time. Do it to the best of your ability, and you will surely reap the success, you know, from your hard work. So the rain, why the rain coming down now when I decide to I want to come? You know, say I'm going in the rain though. I'm going in the rain to get my hair cut, and that and I'm going to do it. I'm going to do it because you have to do it to the best. You have to do it to the best of your abilities. You understand? So hope you guys are. This might be a little video to upload for Thursday, who knows. But yeah, just pick up on yourself, pick up, and just enjoy. I'm gonna get my haircut right now. Don't have anything else to say. One love, peace. I'm out. And the rain will come down. Shit, come on. Alright, later guys. Hello my gingerbread and jelly beans. So I was on the street and a lady, let me get somewhere, and a lady came and my hair is finished now. Yeah, this is going to be a vlog because I started earlier, but I got the haircut. As you can see, a dog is in the background, not my dog. But yeah, I got the haircut now. I look like 16 again. I can't even touch my face because I was touching the dog. But a lady was looking for a little dog and I just found him. I was on the main road, and then two couple there, they found him and then they gave him to me. So I'm now going on a hunt to find the parents, or find the owner, sorry, for the dog. Parents, where parents come from? I'm talking gibberish. So I'm going to show you guys the little dog. I don't know what kind of dog it is, and his foot seems hurt because the person that found him say he almost got hit, but I feel like somebody hit him and he's been limping. So I'm going to lift her up to show you guys. Come. No. Come. Hey. Come here. Come. Jesus. Come. Hey, don't bite me. Hey, I said don't bite me. Come. You're going to get kissed, dog. Don't run. Don't run in the road. Don't run in the road. Shit. Stupid dog, run away. Come. Jesus, you're going to get hit down again. Come! Stupid dog. The stupid dog running away. Alright. Shit, this is. Come! Stupid dog running. Alright. I can't keep up. Come! Nearest. Come. 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 You pull. Come. 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 Why are you scared? This dog. Whew. I can't believe it. I wonder if that's the owner. That's not. Oh, no, that's not the owner. Shit. Oh my god. Oh. This dog. Oh, actually look good. I look nice to the dog. As you can see, the dog run off. Whew. I'm control my breathing. I'm not unhealthy. I play tennis 3 times a week, but I wasn't prepared for that little run. And this dog really let me run so far and then stop in the people in grass. Look, I'm not happy with you. Alright? I'm not happy with you. You cannot run like that. I'm trying to help. So as I was saying, I'm going to put it in my bag, my school bag, because it's big enough. I'm going to leave it open, go on my bicycle and ride around the community looking for the lady, because I remember her face and she's in a black van. So that's a mission right now for this vlog. And it's getting late. The sun is going down. So wish me luck. I'm going on my journey. So you guys have to journey with me to find this owner, find the dog. We're going to return. What are we going to call him? We're going to call him Runner. Yeah, Runner. Because he just run away. So I'm going to call him Runner. Alright? Luckily, it's a little dog and it's not a pit bull, because I don't like pit bulls. And I can control this one because I don't want him running off again and getting hit down in the road. Luckily, in the community here, not many cars pass much. So that was a good thing about it. But it's going to be hard to find the owner. So, journey with me. Come with me. Tell them later. Going to look for your home and your owner. So tell him bye-bye. And I can bet he's thirsty and want some water, because all that running make him thirsty. I think it's a female too. So yeah, I'm going to give Runner some water and then be on our way. Alright, so see you guys when I find the owner. I'm going to take my camera with me just in case. Alright, JVLOGS, Sukum, come on a mission. Find Runner's home. Yeah! Alright, gingerbread and jelly bean. It was harder than I thought to find the owner for the dog, so the dog got stay overnight with me, which isn't fun because I'm not used to it. But anyway, hope it behave itself. It's in the corner over there, giving her water because it's a female dog, and she not drink the water, so I don't know, and I don't have any dog food, so I don't know what she's going to do. But tomorrow I'm carrying her to the pond to put her there, so I can just, you know, I'm used to being alone in my room, no dog, and it take a dude up the place. It's thirsty, it don't want to drink the water, so I don't know what I could do. Hope it survive until tomorrow. I think they will survive, so yeah. But yeah, this is the end of the vlog. Thanks for watching, thanks for subscribing to JVLOGS. Hope you guys enjoy this. My journey has ended and the dog still remain the same, but yeah. I'm going to shower now because I'm sticky and hot, so yeah. Bye-bye.
Don't play with her, don't be the side.